लेकिन व्यू भी है।
And here I am all decked up to go for my first ever solo flight. And this is while going towards the airport. And next, you see in front of the airport. This was like early in the morning, around 4 o'clock, because my flight was around 5:30. So we were all ready, set, and go. So the next thing you see is me with my aesthetics. I आधार कार्ड दिखा दिया और ये हूँ मैं.
I am inside the airport right now, trying to find out Indigo's check-in. Let's find it.
So this is my boarding pass, and here my bag goes. Bye bye.
It's alright, but why are my boarding pass like this? The previous boarding passes used to be so good looking. I mean, there was fun in boarding passes, you know. Khair, koi nahi. Let's go and get checked in. And yeah, I'm done with everything. एकदम से check in कर लिया. I was too good in it, I guess. जो भी हो. Now let's see where is my gate number. Gate number? Gate 4. Let's find gate 4. वैसे मेरे को भूख भी लगी है. After finding my gate, I'll just go and grab something to, like eat and munch up. But I'm very excited. My first ever solo flight. Yeah. I have to slay my flight. और इसके बाद I'm having a very long day because after landing on Kolkata, I'll be traveling to Madhopur to attend one of my brother's birthday. Ambience of Delhi airport. Damn, it's good. Job. I have to just talk in the camera, I guess. But I'm really very excited. Oh my god. This isn't an airport. It's a freaking mall. Like seriously, I'll show you guys. पहले I need to get the airport aesthetics. क्या ही किया अकेले एयरपोर्ट में आके, लेकिन आई एम वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड विद माई टिकट. लाइक अच्छा टिकट दे देते यार, क्या ही था तुम लोगों का. एयरपोर्ट नो, शॉपिंग करने की जगह यस. ओह लेट मी जस्ट क्लाइंब अप द स्टेयर्स डूड. लुक इन हियर भाई. डैम इट. दिस इज जस्ट टर्मिनल 1, द स्मॉलेस्ट वन आई गेस. व्हेन यू गेट टू 2 or 3 it's huge. I say it's huge. पहले मेरे को गेट नंबर 4 ढूंढना पड़ेगा. बाय बाय. क्लाइंबिंग अप आई जस्ट गॉट अ व्यू दैट ऑल फ्लाइट्स आर नीचे, मतलब फ्लाइट के गेट्स. सो आई जस्ट ग्रैब समथिंग टू ईट. इट्स 5:32. सो देन आई कैन गो एंड सिट एट माई वेट एट माई प्लेस. माई गेट. तगड़ा व्लॉग आएगा भाई, तगड़ा. फर्स्ट टाइम फुल अलोन. साउंड नहीं आ रहा मुझे पता है, गले से वॉइस नहीं निकलेगी. जो भी हो. चलो सुबह के 5:30 बजे. हाउ मच कैन आई स्पेंड ऑन माई मील. सो आई ब्रॉट अ बुरीटो, पनीर वाला वो भी, एंड स्टारबक्स और कॉफ़ी. पैसे दिए, थोड़ा तो खर्च करो. लेजिट बुरीटो ठीक है 300 रुपये का. कॉफ़ी मेरे को 500 का पड़ा. खैर जो भी हो, अब क्या ही कर सकते हैं. चलो बैठते हैं कहीं पे और खाते हैं. मतलब देखो भाई 300 रुपये का खाना कितना इतना सा दिया मेरे को. हो गया. अब तो बड़े हो गए. 10 में क्या ही होएगा. 50 लाख पर ईयर पे को चाहिए भाई. एयरपोर्ट पे आके उड़ाऊंगी भाई. लेट्स टेस्ट द बुरीटो एंड आई विल गिव अ रिव्यू. टैको बेल लिसन. भाई सीधा होता भी है ये फ़ोन मेरा. सीधा हो जा भाई, पास पकड़ कर रखो. चलो ट्राइंग बुरीटो. अकेले मज़ा तो आ रहा है मेरे को बहुत. बुरीटो सॉस दिया हुआ है. आई ट्राई इट लेटर. लेट्स हैव अ बाइट. सब ठीक है. स्पाइसी भाई. कोई नहीं, आई ईट. बाय गाइस. बुरीटो स्पाइसी था, लेकिन बाঙালি ভাষায় বলতে গেলে 7 সকালে 5:30টার সময় ভাত, রুটি, পনির, French fries, सब खा चाहिए but it was good. I can say that. Wait, 300 rupees was worth it. Now I'm trying my bottle of this Starbucks coffee. Let's taste it. Good. Bro suggested me. Good. Good. Coffee तो नहीं, मिल्क शेक क्या पता नहीं, बट इट्स गुड. इट्स द सेकेंड टाइम आई ट्राई स्टारबक्स. मम्मी पापा के साथ जाती है तो नहीं लगते हैं. मेरे को दिया था ना स्पेंड करने पैसे. आई वॉज स्पेंडिंग गाइस. आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर द लास्ट डे टू स्पेंड इट. Nice. Actually, I have a very good outfit. So should I say somebody that please take a picture of me, or should I just place the camera and just pose? I don't know. But this shit is good. I have to take pictures. Okay guys, I will talk to you guys later. मेरे पास कुछ करने को नहीं है भाई. I'm just talking camera. लंबा vlog जाएगा भाई, लंबा. सुबह हो गई. Like it's dawn time. Bella. First time in my life I have seen sunrise. Wait. In my life I have seen sunrise. Like sunset. And also I've seen that sunrises are even beautiful. Like yeah. Ice guys, ice. पेट भर गया भाई. मस्त मील हो गया सुबह सुबह. 800 रुपये का. तो चलो अभी जाते हैं. ट्रेन फटा जाएगा. खाली खाली जाएगा क्या? लोग जने नहीं है. Also I wanted an outfit check for myself, but कौन ही करेगा भाई. कोई नहीं. The boating has now started. Now let's go and get board. चलिए मिलते हैं प्लेन में. Bye bye. The plane, but we are meeting here itself. That's our bloody plane. And this is me. First solo flight. Oh my god. God. Whatever. Chalo, descending down. Boarded my flight. See the sun outside. Wow. Okay, bye bye.
So in this clip I was mainly focusing on the ATC. Like you can see over there, that long tower, it's ATC, which is air traffic controller. Since I'm way too obsessed with airlines and flying, so I have a good knowledge about these. So yeah, it is what it is. Bye bye Delhi. Thank you for being so much welcoming to me. And it was a great experience being in Delhi for almost 15 days. I enjoyed a lot, explored Delhi more, like semi-solo. It was a different kind of experience, and you can see such a great artwork or planning of the city.
I'm feeling good. And these are like miniature buddies. Can you see? That's Samsung. Damn. Okay, bye bye.
So just admiring myself. This vlog has nothing to do. You have to just see myself and hear my yapping. Yeah.
I have landed and at the baggage section waiting for my luggage. So I went to the cockpit and I asked for a picture, but they said that no. But yeah, certainly I got to know the difference between a first officer and the captain. Ha ha ha. Whatever. So my ride time was like 9:20. Now it's 9. So 20 minutes I have to wait. Let's see what happens. Bye bye. My parents haven't reached. So I'm having an ample of amount of time to say whatever happened. So I was seated at 30 number seat. So obviously the second exit, like the piche wala exit, was nearer to me, but I chose the first one. Kyuki I am traveling in plane just because I will see the cockpit. Bhai, with my own eyes. So after a wait of like 5 solid minutes, I got out. Not got out. In front there was an air hostess standing, so I asked her, "Can I have a view of the cockpit?" So the क्या बोलते हैं उनको, captain was standing. He said that yeah, sure. I thought that first of all I used to think that क्योंकि animations में दिखाते हैं ना that cockpit is a huge place. No, it's this much place. Like 2 लोगों को भी घुटन महसूस होगी भाई. I'm damn sure. I'm hoping that international flights will have a like wider range. So whatever. And to be honest, the of captain, yeah, the captain and the first officer, they both were too welcoming. So I asked them, "Can I have a picture in here?" They say that no, you can't have any pictures, but you can ask whatever you want. So I had my major queries, so I asked them, and they were really good host to me. Whatever. So this is a like white cockpit. There were 2 engine buttons, and you can see everything on the LED screen. I mean, I want to experience that, honestly. But उससे पहले मेरे को जॉब करना पड़ेगा. I need to gather the money you need to become a pilot. Also, a pilot was traveling with us. He was traveling on his normal attire, IDKY. But whatever. Now I'm waiting. I'll wait. And you wanna know what I did when I was, sitting in my 2 hours flight? So first of all, for a while, I just looked outside, trying to take the views and all. So I took. फिर I started watching TVD. और मुझे नींद भी आ रही थी, but I didn't want to sleep because it's flight, dude. So I watched TVD, a season full, and so a season, not a season, an episode full, and one like nearer to the end. So it was, and also like my first solo flight, tip top, successful. I loved my experience. I enjoyed my experience. सही में भाई सोलो ट्रैवल करके देखो, मज़ा अलग है. You will like forget traveling with anybody. I love myself. I love traveling solo. 3 मिनट बकेरा कर दिया. You guys have to listen. Take my advice, guys. चलो, just domestic passwords. लेके when my papa and mama will come. Till then I'll listen to some music, I guess. Yeah. Bye bye. It's the end of my vlog. Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. जो आते नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी प्लीज press the bell icon. Okay, चलो, bye bye.